Happy Saturday, everybody. Just got my coffee. Oh yeah, look at that, nice snowed out parking lot. Woo! I'm gonna take it easy, but I am gonna try to do a couple little drifts, you know. Woo, she's angry. She's an angry girl. Yes, the end of the weekend. Just got my coffee. About to go do a couple donuts. Got my race mode. Sport enabled. Race mode. Yeah. Alright. That's fun. Whee! Takes nothing, just gets sideways. It's kind of freaky, actually. Oh, shit. Oh, I'll just go this way. The monster. Just breaks loose on the street. Alright, well, we're gonna do a couple donuts. Didn't film much, but it made me feel good. Hope you guys have a nice weekend. Merry Christmas, by the way, if I don't see you guys before then. So I'm probably going to post a video of my new bag set up here tomorrow. So you guys have an awesome day. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.